sunken concrete at Bellevue Place HOA, better beware. Acme is coming to get you.
Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today, we're back in Batavia at Bellevue Place HOA, and this is actually phase 3 of a project that's been ongoing. We were here a few months ago, and we've been here years past. So in this phase of the project, we're going to be dealing with drainage issues, uneven surfaces, and some of these problems have been caused by tree roots. So not everything here in this project today is really kind of straightforward. We're gonna have to employ a couple different techniques. We're gonna be raising concrete technically a little higher than it was ever constructed to deal with and overcome the tree root issues. And where it's not economically practical or feasible, we're going to stop with the lifting process and grind some areas down with a grinder. So our goal with this project is to get the HOA's needs met and stay within their budget. So again, we could raise everything here, but the cost and the time could be a little bit prohibitive for their budget. So we're going to do what we can, use a couple different techniques and get what they need done and keep within budget. So we're gonna walk through, show you some befores, and we're gonna show you some video of the areas actually being lifted, ground down, remedied, and then we're gonna walk through and show you the final product. So we appreciate you tuning in. Let's go check out the project now.
You don't want to miss the videos we have planned for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
There's a lot going on here. We've got tree roots pushing up areas. We have bushes with roots probably that have lifted some other areas, and we have sinking and settling. So everything's kind of going in a bunch of different directions. But here, the primary concern and goal is simply to remedy the uneven surfaces so that we eliminate the potential for trips and falls. So we're going to employ a couple different techniques in here. We're going to take the real easy lifts to level joints. We're going to do those first. Other areas, we're probably going to have to saw cut some joints to enable us to manipulate slabs in maybe kind of unconventional ways. But again, the goal is to get things lifted to level uneven surfaces. And once we go through, we make some saw cuts and we raise the areas that we can easily. We're going to come through at the end with a grinder, and we're going to touch up any areas that just didn't make sense or weren't feasible to remedy with the lifting. But again, could we lift all of this back to original or even higher and fix all the trip hazards? Absolutely, we could do that. But the cost would be prohibitive. It would take a lot of time and cost to do that. So again, we're going to just employ a couple different methods, and we're going to meet the needs of the HOA here so that we're keeping within budget, yet making the areas safe. And here's another area. It's kind of a triangular piece, and the tip of the triangle has dropped about 1.25 inches. So we're gonna lift this up, and again, it's collecting water here. Hopefully getting this up and level and at grade with the adjacent pieces will promote better drainage. So here's another area. We're 1.5 inches off, but this not really a major drainage issue. There's no tree roots going on. This is going to be a real quick pop-up of the sidewalk to meet this circular area, and the safety issue will be remedied in a matter of minutes. So here's another narrower walkway, and we're off, again, about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Lots of drainage issues through here, holding water and mud.
Fun fact, Acme created the Smart Lift system to provide Chicagoland the best repairs possible.
Situations like this, a one-size-fits-all repair strategy just doesn't cut it. Polyurethane foam lifting is our go-to method because it's clean, fast, and highly effective. But when you're working around tree roots or extreme displacement, lifting alone can actually make things worse. That's where precision grinding comes in. It allows us to shave high edges and create flush transitions without overloading slabs or blowing out the budget. These hybrid repairs are part of what sets our approach apart. We're not just here to raise concrete, we're here to solve problems. Whether it's offset joints, sunken walkways, or slab displacement caused by tree roots or drainage, we tailor the repair to the specific conditions on site. The result? Safer surfaces, smarter repairs, and longer-lasting results that meet both safety and budgetary requirements. The final result might not be flashy, but that's exactly the goal. These walkways are now safer and ready for daily use. We eliminated trip hazards, improved drainage in some areas, and extended the service life of the concrete without the disruption or cost of full replacement. It's a clean, effective solution that preserves the original appearance while solving the core issues. For the HOA, it's peace of mind delivered on time and within budget.